In this video, I will show you how to fix querying the map if it's not working or loading. So let's jump straight into it. So here we are on my desktop. Now there's a couple of things you can try in order to fix this. The first thing, which might sound pretty obvious, is to check your internet connection. So you want to make sure that you do have a strong, stable internet connection and that there's currently no problems with your internet service provider, that they've got no ongoing maintenance work or something like that. So make sure to check that first of all. So if there's no current problems with your internet connection, the next thing you're going to want to try is clearing your browser cache and history. So to do this, go ahead and open up a new internet browser, and what you want to do is come up to the three dots in the top right hand corner, give this a click, and then come down and click onto settings. From here, what you're going to want to do is come to this menu on the left hand side and click onto privacy and security. Then what you want to do is come to the privacy and security section just down here and click onto clear browsing data. So you want to make sure this is set to all time, and what you want to do is make sure the boxes are ticked to clear your browsing history, cookies and other site data, and cached images and files. Now if you are logged into any sites, make sure to make a note of your password before doing this, as it's going to log you out of any websites and things like that. Once you've done that, you want to come down and press the blue clear data button, give that a minute or two to run through and clear your browsing data in cache, and then see if you can access querying the map. So if you've tried that and you're still having problems, the final thing I would recommend is disabling any browser extensions that you're not currently using. So to do that, as you can see, we're here on Google. So if we come up to the top right hand corner, you can see the browser extensions icon just up here. So it's this kind of little jigsaw puzzle piece. And what we're going to do is click onto this and come down and click onto manage extensions. So by default, what I would recommend first is disabling all of your browser extensions, because some of these can actually interfere with the querying the map website and can sometimes cause problems, which means that the website will not load or basically won't work at all. So what you want to do is basically go ahead, disable all your extensions, and by following these steps, you should now be able to access querying the map and it should load through successfully. So that is how to fix if querying the map is not working or loading. With that being said, I hope this tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.